Shelli, Pelly, Annie Parker Confidential. Welcome to holiday baking. All right, so this is really, really easy, delicious, and it's elegant. All right, it is no sugar, chocolate bark. Chocolate bark with dried cherries, hazelnut, pecans, and some pepitas. Now, I made this with no sugar chocolate chips. The product link and the recipe is down below the video. I just got them on Amazon, no big deal. They're flavored with stevia, and all I did is I stuck everything, I made the chocolate in the microwave, toasted some nuts, threw in some dried cherries, let it chill for a half hour, and that's it. That is it. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands, and let me show you really quickly how I made it. Okay, ladies, it should be done. It's been sitting in here for about 40 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. And there you go. That's the finished product. That's how easy it is. All you're going to do is break it into nice little pieces, as large as you want. And it's supposed to be nice and rustic, so you just want them just kind of jagged edges. You're totally fine. And now, this can be as easy as you like. I almost made peanut clusters. So if you want to make peanut clusters, it's even easier. You just make the chocolate just like we did. And then I have dry roasted salted peanuts in the cabinet. I could have just mixed in peanuts and then dropped them into nice little spoonfuls onto the same parchment paper to make peanut clusters. It would have been just as easy. But I thought I'd do something a little fancier since you were visiting me today. So that's all you're going to do. You're going to break them up into pieces, put them in a pretty little serving bowl, just to be all extra about it, because we like to be all extra about things, and then serve them. Now you want to keep them in an airtight container in the fridge if they last that long. Around our house they don't, because I have a sweet tooth and I will eat them all. And that's it. That's your chocolate bark. All right, chocolate bark with hazelnuts, dried cherries, pepitas, and pecans. For this recipe, go underneath the video And for all things wellness, beauty, style, fitness, healthy living, and lots of good recipes, visit me on the blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog.